YouTube. This is Lucas Bentley, and this is my third burping video of the day, burping 13. Now this one, I'm going to plan on making a major ass burp. I'm going to chug this entire bottle of water. Carbonated water. Carbonated water. Carbonation. I know you guys probably think that's cheating, but it's not about the cheating. It's about the fun of the burp, right? I know it's probably more fun if I do it without help, but I just want to see how loud I can burp if I chug this entire thing. Plus, I want you to count and tell me how long it takes me to chug this entire soda when I say go. And leave how long it took in the comments at the bottom. So I'm going to chug this. When I say go, you start counting. And when I'm done, and you're watching the video, after I've chugged this, you put in the comments below how long it took me to chug this. Alright? Deal? Deal. Okay. Hear the carbonation? So, ready? And go. Oh God. Oh man. Didn't think it'd be that hard. Okay. I didn't get a good breath before I started chugging. Oh God. I feel lightheaded right now. Okay. That carbonation, it might take a couple seconds to. And now talking really fast will also help. So burp, chugging carbonation water, and now I'm going to chop real fast, and then I'm going to burp. I'm going to swallow air, talk real fast, and drink carbonation. So, hello. Who of you thinks I can burp real loud? Who wants to have bets on me? Oh, him in the back with $300. Him in the back with 450, 400, 500,000, 500,000 million, 500,000, 600. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 56, 67, I lost count. I like Jurassic Park. Do you like Jurassic Park? It's so cool. They're coming out with a new one in 2015. And they're coming out with a Godzilla movie in 2014 this year. May 16, 2014. May 16, 2014. Okay, here I go. Oh man, that film. And then with my carbonation water over the edge. No, I didn't throw up. The bottle fell over. I drank the whole bottle, so it's empty. I'll pick it up later. I don't think it helped. But at least I chugged. I know you guys like chugging videos. And who doesn't if you don't like. Oh God, no! I'm dying! Oh God, someone poisoned my eye. No. There. I threw up the poison. Oh God. I'm gonna. Oh no, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna puke on you. By the way, I mentioned I could stick my finger down my throat without puking. Probably not the best idea, but watch this. Try it with one finger. Oh God. Yeah. It's nasty when you stick your finger in your mouth. Let's try 2. This is not going to turn out good for you guys, so. Oh god. It went down my throat, but. Oh god. Oh, that's horrible. Check this out. No fail. Okay, time for the big burps. Time for the ultimate burp of this video. Just so you know, I'm not Buddhist. I know this looks like Tai Chi, but I call it burping preparation. Burping perfection preparation movements. Wow. Are you ready? I am. Behold, the burps of all burps. You guys might die just watching it. So, let's begin, shall we? Prepare for the ultimate burp. You are no match for my burping power. I am talking to all you burp masters out there. You think your burps are powerful? Well then, watch this one. I failed. No! I shall try again. Now we'll fix it off. 3, 2, 1, and oh god. Okay, 3rd time's the charm, my friends. 3rd time's the charm. Less talky, and more burping. Oh, at the end of this video, rate my voice. If you like this voice, just rate it in the comments. Tell me if it sounds deep and real. Probably doesn't, but if it does, rate it. Because I like deep voices. Leave a comment at the bottom about my voice, shall you? And now, the roar of burping. Oh god, that feels. And now, the end of the video. I'm going to burp so loud I'm gonna knock this off the beam, alright? That failed. Oh god. I really need to wrap this up. Okay. Okay guys, I know you want to see a really big burp. I'll try until I can get a really big burp. I'll go till 10 minutes and 30 seconds max, alright? And then I'll stop burping. Trying to keep my food down, guys. Oh no! My crazy neighbors are home! Quick, there's only one way to scare them off. And that's the ultimate burp. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do one burp. Really loud. Then long. Okay, one more. You ready? Okay, here I go. Okay, that's enough. Guys, I'm done. This is Burping 13. Oh, don't forget to rate my giveaway and to tell me how long it took me to choke that son of a bitch. Goodbye and peace out. This is Lucas saying goodbye to all my friends out on YouTube. Goodbye. I will see you later. Who am I kidding? I will see you later. Bye bye.